That was good, huh?
Yeah, really good.
Emily, we should go.
We're back. What's up, boys?
We're back from Ohio. You're the new camera guy here? No, I am the new camera guy. Saturday morning I got an email from Sean Lawless that he was going to be running the bike or trying to run the bike down in Ohio near his house this weekend. Told him if he could do it on Sunday that I would be there. Skeeter immediately jumped on board. We got some video to look at the drag bike and see what we think. The record we've been going after is 7.86 seconds on a quarter-mile track. Why don't you get the team in here? Skeeter.
Where's Coco? There's Coco. Say hi. Hi to the camera. Mwah. Where's Coco? Where are you going? Uh-oh, we stunk. Let's go this way. They won't let you get them, huh? Coco, come here. Coco. Blanca. Ooh. You crash? And Coco is on the sofa. Did you crash? Go. Where's Coco? Where'd she go? Hi. Back you go. No more. Say bye. Say bye. Wave bye. Okay, not your body. Wave your hand. Say bye, mamas. Alright, pues. Dale. Dale. Really? What else? No more? People are gonna think you're crazy. See, you're banging your head, see? Nope, bless you. Okay, Mama, say bye. Bye.